Everybody? Everybody alright? Why can your body? What are we your body? You know, all along me there, I'm sit down and I observe what I never know, say, you're your sister in a thing. It's a family thing. So part you involved too. Good night, gentlemen. Good night, distinguished guests. No people, I don't want to feel like tonight I want ordinary night, you know. Because I can never secret to tell you. Little did you know that when I left the island on Friday and I told you I wasn't going to be here, you probably think I wasn't coming back for your party, but I actually cut my visit short to be here tonight to represent for you because you're a good man. Enough away. Pass through your hands and you make things happen. So you see, before we even do anything, to God be the glory for great things that He has done. You see your age? Oh Jesus Christ, I'm halfway there. But I want to live as long as you are living. You see the color where you choose to put on tonight? Make them know say red. And red stands for danger. So let them come on your business place again, but them are broke. Then we know where them walk up in now. Play the song, DJ. Play the song. Come on, somebody. If you love the Almighty God, let me give God some praise up in this place here tonight. Oh, glory. Hallelujah. Hey, you can't turn up the song. Turn up the song, man. Sure. Don't cry. Come on, somebody. Against right flow, we are doing this one, you know. Just remember, the Father can anything we are doing, God knows life is not over. Oh Lord, I want you to pray against what I sing all the song to, you know. I mean, what God bless you, what do you mean? Think of yourself. This Christ, all you doing, baby, you're gone. We have all a beautiful lady later. Tell them now, Charles, walk one. Don't just remember I don't think you're an idiot. Something not right up here. From a come up here, piece of heat start take me. I'm going to tell you something tonight. No weapon that form against you shall prosper. Because when the wicked come to eat up your flesh, they shall stumble and fall. You think you're an idiot. DJ, you play that song now. Come out of this! Come on, DJ, play the song. Watch out. I don't say you be attack. Drop the song, man. It's up on the air. Oh, hallelujah. You're not long the floor as they want water. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Aye. Oh, see people business and leave each alone. I tell the topic, I say, hold on there. You think you're going to dash the whole I water and me want purge out too? They say if you purify yourself before you take it out of smelly life, you take the beam out of water is life. But tell you, me there talk about water. You see you, me can come here so when me hungry and beg your food, me sure forget it. Me can broke and all the money for buy gas, me sure forget it. They can come here and borrow money. You sure forget it. You just not sure forget it back. And that's the only problem. But you see you're like a father to me. And that song, anyway you hear it, remember me when I adopted Pitney. Because some people get it twisted, not because you're black and I am brown. That means you're not my father. Because my mother could have brown. And the tone of black. And that's when the question coming. When you see that song here, drop the song, DJ. Come on, somebody, talk to me. We don't care what nobody wants to say. Hey! As long as the Father says we can't suffer. Nah, we can't. Never the Father get around. You man? Come on, people of God. Sing the song, man. I will not suffer. I will not ignore. God is my provider. If you don't Jesus. Yes. Because sometimes basket come in and know what coming out. Not touch it yet, not touch it yet. Not touch it yet. And you see all the same thing just attack. Things are running in panic. Check the contents, man. Check the contents. Jesus. Aye. You get one more bit if you take care. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, give this man a big round of applause for me, please. We also want to thank our friends from the Real Nephew. Of course, Real Nephew White Overproof has been very supportive of this establishment. And they are also the person I work with the Real Nephew contender, also Magnum Kings and Queen of Dancehall. It is up, so you know we have a lot of ties. Alright, so we're Simpson there. I am a program and I'm giving a program, but anyway, we haven't heard Mr. Paul. You haven't said something to your brother, I know. Come around here, so Mr. Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Paul Cooks. And from here, you hear the name Cooks. Ken Cooks. That's why I'm giving that demo. Alright, give Mr. Cooks a round of applause for me, please, ladies and gentlemen. You say something to your brother, your beautiful brother.
If you want to come.
Check, check.
Members of the head table. I would like, on behalf of our family, which is
Talk up! Well, we are family. Talk up now, microphone.
The family of the blood family and the family adopted ones, which I trust my good friend is puts himself. Yes. I would like to say my brother, which is not a brother too, right at the left one. He knows it, and just like express it to everyone. I wish that you live not until you start while we stick. As long as health, as long as you're healthy, which might be another 72 years, I hope that you will be here with us. So on behalf of all of us, let's give him a wonderful happy birthday. So let's all together say happy birthday. So I am not a good singer, but I'll ask Mr. Floyd to lead the
No, cut out the singing of that.
No, you have to do that.
We have to sing?
Yes, man, you have to do that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ken. Happy birthday to you. All right.
Okay, masters.
All right, bless up yourself, Father Paul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pick up yourself. Yes, move along, move along. And when you're rhyming, you don't rhyme good a while ago. When you say Father Ken is, as long as he's healthy, we will be wealthy. That's what we say. You know, follow the family tree, you know. If Ken healthy, we will be wealthy. That's right. I want to know how much sweat the boss put in another establishment. Yeah. All of who know Ken's right now are from up on Bayside before we turn church. Because they have a brassiere factory after the church. When you're a little boy, I sell buckle in a Portmore. The little Coca-Cola buckle then. I used to go to Portmore beverages to sell my buckle. That's an archie means so rest in peace. And when we go to Father Ken's place, and we see a big man like that if you're going to own establishment. And when he go in so and talk to the lady in the bar. Oh God, I'm sorry for the big boss. He couldn't turn on me come out. I saw him have to come back out. Because the place was so little. But because he was big, he had a vision. And look at the place now, just as big as Kenny's. Give Kenny Bwoy Floyd a round of applause. You know how much things this man do for the community here? You know how much things netball, football, cricket, domino. Well, domino, me don't know. But they sit down every night down there, so. And play domino. But big up the domino player there. You know, say he's a great man. Every time I look back in my life, my mother died 3 years ago, may her soul rest in peace. But every day I ask myself, why my mother never walked past Father Kings? You should have just made him meet on those past Kings and say, hi beautiful. Mother more be a blood pigment. But you see, because you take up the responsibility to be my father, I wish I didn't know him. Because you are the father that I never know. And if he could have only seen me now, me know there's somewhere in Jamaica and say, Mama, you that. But for 46 years me now in my life and the shame forgot to him now. But dirty father, anyway you're there. Look at me now. I'm like TVJ at 46. Just look at me now. And if you are looking, you can't see me. Switch the channel. You're going to find CVM. Looking in, looking out, looking evil. We have another person from a very high society. And you see him every night, it make nice like myself. When you turn on your television to TVJ, the only thing you hear is, hey! 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 Now the West Indies cricket board! And Father Ken, who was once involved! Ladies and gentlemen, we're not saying no more. And the name, man, the name already, me ask him, why that name there? Why that name there? You could have named Barrington like me. Or even Richard, or Trevor. No, not Trevor. But then again, you and Trevor have been kind of scared. Come oral. Hey! 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 The guy called again. Hey! Fly. Yeah. When that boy beef say wish him in the world. Him, bully beef. Say he want to sue me forget my name world. Good night, people. Good night, people. Good people. And Father Ken is not just a good man, he's a great man. Everybody just give Father Ken a loud round of applause. Loud like on the public, loud on TV at night time. Good people are good people, boss. You don't know what I reach tonight, I'm surprised you don't. You understand me? You see it? Me do sports commentary and me do sports exposure parade and all the time. Father Ken, he has made a lot of contribution in terms of the development of a lot of young sportsmen and women in Jamaica. See, when it's not a capacity to comment in him. We just come hear him as a man with a past stream establishment. All the while, you understand me, buy the whole of the apple downstairs and drink it off. You understand me? And I'm sure we don't got love and respect. Otherwise, stop flying. We walk and pressure me all the while. So what? Ken is a good person. Anyway, we just want to say, happy birthday. Oh, what is he not flying? Oh, me? Father? No. Ken. Father Ken is 72. 72. Hey, hold on. Oh, I hear that. Any man past 69 good enough. No, man. Father Ken, I didn't hear so you was 69 for 4 years. I chose that. You didn't stop this up. No, you can't do it. You can't do it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we want to say a special happy birthday to Father Ken. Love, respect, and the Maverick pass through. I don't know. 9 o'clock, I'm on up on the radio. 8 o'clock, I'm on tomorrow night. But up on the TV. Alright. I just want to say big respect and no respect to Father Ken. I would like the color. Red. Yeah. Red. Liverpool here, sir. Don't take the politics. Liverpool. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Up and running. Yeah. I strongly believe you don't come have to pick up Ken, you come have to pick up your program. And then on TV at morning time, I come on my program. You come and say, oral, you're my friend. But Ken, you have a small problem. The food out at the front there, son. You know you have your restaurant. When you keep customer appreciation day, put aside some champagne back on the man. And you serve with champagne, because you sell champagne. You know, you remind me, of course, Jamaica Limited. Customer appreciation. Then put on this big long table like this with cake and sandwich. Courts like that. Why don't you go to the store and just tell everybody, say, go take a TV and you go take a fridge and you go take one bed. And I see a problem we have with Scotiabank. They make sandwich. Every time they have customer appreciation, the only thing they give is a cake and chicken wings. Kind of different. But Scotia not do none of them something. Open the vault one Monday morning and say, oh, come get the people, come. Help on yourself, help on yourself. And I'm not telling people, but we can't be one-sided. So if Quest and Scotia do that, what if Madden did have customer appreciation? You don't want to pick a spot? My stomach. You can't imagine what I'm going to do cut and say, I'm like a casket here, and put it down for me. Oh, 3 years from now, because ladies and gentlemen, we are all living to die. But you know the problem that we have, Jamaica is under siege by crime and violence. One day I have a man take up here, I miss my turn. Because normally when we come off of the dual carriageway, we don't normally see the sign will say, welcome to Montego Bay. When we reach this, so I see an ego. So we turn back. Come here, some accident and down there, and then liquid the man off of the Tigo. And only he go left. But ladies and gentlemen, crime and violence is rocking our nation. And we all have to pull together as Jamaicans. You understand me? I just came from Bahamas the other day, and when I see how much we want US down in Bahamas, I want to move from Jamaica. $100 against the US. In Bahamas, Ken, you take $1 and switch it for the US. That is growth. When you see crime and violence, you have much of, hey, they brought me to a community near West Kingston. They had a seminar about crime and violence. The only reason why I went there is because they assured me that the Minister of National Security, which me never really sure, but me still go. The top policeman would have been there, so me say yes, safe go, me can go. When we go in at the school, me stand up right beside one police car, West Kingston me there, so me not take no chance. The police have him gun on him side, me have to bounce him and say squad, pull the gun. At West Kingston there, anything can happen at any time. A teacher, oh Jesus Christ, as we talk about teacher, the people now go to school again tomorrow because the government refused to pay the teachers then. Why don't you free up the teacher, they want to people get education, and then tell them put education first. But anyway, I'm a politician. You see when the teacher said, I need 3 of my brightest students to come on this blackboard and draw 3 instruments that can cause war. The first little boy get up and draw one big old dirty gun on the blackboard, and the teacher clap him and say, yes, gun can cause war. The next little boy to the chalk and he put one big knife father Ken. Them say, yes, gun can cause war. The last little boy to the chalk and he put one dot on the blackboard. And the teacher called him and said, little boy, come here. What is that you just put on the blackboard? In front of the whole of we and the Minister of National Security, the little boy said, miss, that's a period. She said, a what? A period. She said, explain to us how that period cause war. The little boy just turned to the teacher and said, miss, my little sister and miss one other time coming at the house, a pure war and that going on. So children live what they learn. All right. My beautiful lady, stand for me, please. Come around here. Give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of Ken's favorite sisters. I couldn't introduce Paul as a favorite brother because I know him have other brothers. but Paul is close to him. But you see that lady here? That lady here is a strength of tower to her brother. No care what one, she's dead and she stand beside him and she's here tonight. You see the way how you're dedicated to your brother? Them things are y'all in woman. That me I tell you. So hear me now, moment. Just address your brother for me now, please. And remember your nephew. Yeah.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. To my dear brother, I think most people in Portmore would recognize that I really, really love my brother Ken. Right? And apart from my husband, I will do anything for him. Okay? And all I can say is that I wish you many, many more birthdays, and I will be by you at all times.
You know, I'm glad you stopped talking. You make me start ball to him. You hear the tears are coming, but you held it back. You held it back. You held it back. We're not going to stay long with Mr. Kennedy. Manners and respect. Beaker Bailey. No, Beaker Bailey. Beaker Bailey. No, you have to say something to Father Ken. Beast, you have to come say happy birthday. What do you, Beast? What you do? Come in, my family. You're my friend. So come in. I mean fire. Look from when you're going to last time you can't grow. You're my friend.
You know what the man called me so excited. Father Kens, you don't know, happy Earth Day, now what I come fight and Mr. Kennedy, I want to take up a seat, you know, that me I run from me. Tell something me I run from me. You see, let me load the seat, think of politics this. But anyway, happy Earth Day, Father. It's like I want to pass on him, you know. So any inheritance already, you think of you. See all the wash up chain there, same Sunday, I want it away. Father, I want it away and we have to show our respect in many ways. And we know for conduct ourselves, respect to the sisters and brothers and the representative. You know, and my sister is. If I can't find Father Kens, I know who will find. Sis. So all the well-wishers, them, manners and respect, I'm there, I'm not stay long, but Father Kens, I'm after there. I'm never there Bahamas, country me there and come up. I'm never there Bahamas, I'm never so far. Because I'm there Bahamas, you get a phone call and go to Western Union. So, I'm never there so far. So I could have drive in. So, Father, I'm glad you're there. I never cut the trip for there. I just drive coming. Bless your blessing.
Take your best time, Beaker Bailey. Well, I don't worry about him, boy. You're there at Western Union. I want to them old time something that would reach you. Instead of reaching that line, I'm going to count out the year. It's not yours yet. So we're making Friday. And my friend that Beaker Bailey. Alright, moving right along, ladies and gentlemen. One last one. Ulbeef, come in. Come here and say something. Your neck not tired. Who this man? You see the man have on the chair.